It's 4:50 in the morning. We are walking into the bus. We have less than 20 minutes to get there.
I didn't bring my glasses case.
You'll be fine.
Zugspitze.
Do you have her bag?
Yeah.
I did, Mom.
Okay. Not the best start to our morning. Our bus was late by like 3 minutes. So we were worried if we were going to make our second bus. But none of that mattered because someone had to use the toilet. So from here, we will walk to the Hauptbahnhof. We're not in the right car. We don't know how to get there.
Definitely not the right car. I don't think it is.
It hasn't been a good morning.
All right. Well, give you a little bathroom tour, kind of like Kara and Nate. This train is really wobbly. This might be the worst train we've been on. But you have man, it's like this. It's the size of a person in the Lollipop Guild's dressing room in here. This thing, right? You got a full-length mirror all the way to there. You get to see everything. You got your sink. It's not too dirty in here. You got your toilets, right? It's your flush. Paper towels, trash can. That's about it. Got your lock on the door. No smoking. Look, I'm 6'2". This thing is not bad, but could be a little bigger on some of the other trains, right? So, hey, make sure that you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell if you want to see more, I don't know, bathroom adventures from the Owen family, right?
We have 15 minutes to get to our next train. Let's see if we can do it. Huh? I don't know.
Yes,
We want to go to the top.
of course. And you want to come back down?
Preferably.
Do it.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. You guys excited?
Yeah, super excited. It was an early morning, but now we're having fun now. Early morning, now we're having fun.
We'll see you at the top. what really surprises me?
What?
The people that are in jeans and like some crappy tennis shoes.
So when you come up here, what people don't tell you is how slick everything is because of all the people that have been up here today. Then it's all ice. So you really have to wear some good shoes. If not, you're going down.
There's like a cafeteria in there, and Chris really wanted a beer up top. So he's drinking a Löwenbräu. And then we have fries and this chocolate thing. Give it a try.
Waiting to get on. Fogged up glasses and all. This water is super clear at Ibsea Lake. Just threw the drone up. Now they're taking selfies. So super clear water. It's not that bad. It's nice. A little cool. Nice and blue. Mountains in the background. It's been a good day. All right, so we just hiked back up from Ibsea Lake, and a little bit of a hike. And then just wanted to tell you, like, now I'm in a short sleeve shirt, and it's amazing the temperature difference. I mean, we were walking in snow when we were walking up in there, and then now it's like cooking like 69 degrees. Everybody's wearing short sleeve shirts, just baking in the sun. So crazy. When you get here, depending on what time of year you come, could be just like this, where it's super cold, 30 degrees with 20-mile-an-hour winds up there, but then 69, 70 degrees down here by the lake.
I don't like this. We're waiting on our train to go back to Garmisch, and this is our view while we're waiting on our train. It's it's not too shabby as we head back from our adventure of the mountains. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Very tired though, and very hungry.
We'll get food and we'll get some sleep.
We're gonna go get our Airbnb and then go get some food, go to the grocery store, and go to sleep.
We made it back to the train station in Garmisch, and we have to pick up our luggage from the little luggage lockers that they have here. So, and then we're headed to our Airbnb. People stare at us all the time, like they've never seen people with 2 backpacks on.
2 backpacks. They
But
like 'em.
we don't even need our backpacks. They still stare at us all the time. It's like, how American can you be?
I guess.
I don't know.
American is 2 backpacks.
2 backpacks. I don't think it's a big deal.
Coming out of our apartment.
We paid a ridiculous amount of money for this Airbnb, but it's kind of like the only thing left. And it happens to be right across the street from the Bio Mountain, which is like one of my favorite stories here.
And that big mountain right behind it.
Oh, and the mountain.
So it's nice scenery waking up to.
Like it. When we come out of our apartment, we have the beautiful view of the mountains on this side. They're so pretty. And I think that's it's right there.
Where are we going?
Right.
So make sure that you subscribe, like, get some notifications if you want to see more videos just like this.